Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately, so please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is class 5 chapter 13 Swami ki Dadi. Swami is a kid and दादी मीन्स ग्रैंडमा. सो स्वामी इज ग्रैंडमा. बैठक और भोजन कक्ष के बीच, बैठक मीन्स लिविंग रूम, भोजन कक्ष मीन्स डाइनिंग रूम. सो इन बिटवीन डाइनिंग रूम एंड लिविंग रूम कम हवादार अंधेरे गलियारे की बंद सी कोठरी में स्वामीनाथन की दादी अपने सारे सामान के साथ रहती थी. कम हवादार मीन्स poorly ventilated where there won't be any air. Ventilation is very poor. अंधेरे गलियारे की बंद सी कोठरी में, अंधेरे गलियारे की बंद सी कोठरी मीन्स अ डार्क रूम where there is very poor lighting. स्वामीनाथन की दादी अपने सारे सामान के साथ रहती थी. स्वामीनाथन्स grandma used to live there with all her belongings. सारे सामान मीन्स हर बिलोंगिंग्स. उनका सामान था, हर बिलोंगिंग्स वेयर 5 दरियों, 3 चादरों, 5 तकियों वाला भारी भरकम बिस्तर. सो शी हैड अ बेड विच वॉज मेड ऑफ 5 दरिया मीन्स शीट्स, बेड शीट्स. 3 चादर, 3 मीन्स 3, 5 bed sheets, 3 blankets, 5 तकियों, तकिया means pillow, 5 pillows, भारी भरकम means heavy, बिस्तर means bed. So her belongings were a bed made of 5 bed sheets, 3 blankets, 5 pillows. पटसन के रेशे, पटसन means jute, रेशे मीन्स रोप, जूट रोप का बना एक वर्गाकार बक्सा. एक वर्गाकार मीन्स स्क्वायर शेप्ड बॉक्स. सो शी ऑल्सो हैड अ स्क्वायर शेप्ड बॉक्स मेड ऑफ जूट रोप. और लकड़ी का एक छोटा बक्सा. एंड शी ऑल्सो हैड अ स्मॉल बॉक्स मेड ऑफ वुड. बक्सा मीन्स बॉक्स जिसमें तांबे के सिक्के मीन्स द कॉइन्स मेड ऑफ ब्रॉन्ज. इलायची मीन्स कार्डमम. लौंग मीन्स क्लव्स. सुपारी मीन्स बीटल नेट. यू वुड हैव हर्ड वी यूज इनसाइड पान, रोजा पाक, something you would have heard. No, it is known as betel net. So she would keep a small wooden box in which she would keep some bronze coins and some cardamoms, elaichi, some long, that is cloves, and some betel nut with her. रात के भोजन के बाद, आफ्टर डिनर, भोजन के बाद, रात के भोजन मीन्स डिनर. आफ्टर डिनर स्वामीनाथन दादी के पास उनकी गोद में सिर रखे लौंग इलायची की गंध भरे वातावरण में अपने को बहुत प्रसन्न और सुरक्षित महसूस कर रहा था. सो आफ्टर डिनर what Swaminathan will do? Swaminathan would go to Dadi's room and would lay down on her lap. दादी के पास उनकी गोद में सिर रखे. So he will keep his head on Dadi's lap. Then what he would feel very happy. अपने को बहुत प्रसन्न और सुरक्षित महसूस कर रहा था. That is, he would feel very happy and safe. Why? With the smell of इलायची. सिर रखे लौंग इलायची की गंध means smell. So because of the smell of cloves and cardamom, he would feel happy and safe there. Vatavara means environment or atmosphere. The atmosphere, he would like the atmosphere. Daily after dinner, he'll go to his grandma's room. There he'll lay down on her lap, and with the atmosphere filled with the smell of cardamom and cloves, he will feel very safe and secure and also happy. बड़ी प्रसन्नता से भरकर वह बोला. He प्रसन्नता से भरकर means he felt very happily. So in a very happy tone he said, ओ दादी, तुम नहीं जानती राजम कितनी ऊंची चीज़ है. ओ दादी, you don't know how कितनी ऊंची चीज़ है means how smart he is. Rajam, he is talking about his friend Rajam. So he is telling you don't know how sharp he is. उसने दादी को राजम और मणि की पहले दुश्मनी और फिर दोस्ती की कहानी कह सुनाई. So he told his grandma how Rajam and Mani, both are his friends, first were enemies. Dushmani means first they were enemies. So he told her the story how they started their friendship with, that is they were enemies and then how they became friends. So he told her that story. तुम्हें पता है उसके पास सचमुच की पुलिस की वर्दी है, स्वामीनाथन बोला. So Swaminathan said, you know, he has really a real police uniform. Police की वर्दी means uniform. वर्दी means uniform. So he has police uniform with him, a real police uniform. सच उसे पुलिस की वर्दी क्यों चाहिए? दादी ने पूछा. So दादी said, really? Why he want a police uniform? उसके पिता पुलिस अधीक्षक हैं. So he said his father is a police officer. वह यहाँ की पुलिस के सबसे बड़े अफसर हैं. So he is the topmost officer in the police department. दादी काफ़ी प्रभावित हुई means she got very impressed. उनका सच में काफ़ी बड़ा दफ्तर होगा, उन्होंने कहा. So दादी said, oh, he would really have a good office because he was the topmost officer in the police department. She said, oh, he would have a very big office. फिर उन्होंने उन दिनों की कहानी सुनानी शुरू की जब स्वामीनाथन के दादा रौबदार सब मजिस्ट्रेट थे. रौबदार मीन्स like very strict or very commanding. So then what happened? Then Dadi started to tell the story of the time when her husband, that is Swaminathan's grandfather, was a commanding sub-magistrate, जिनके दफ्तर में पुलिस वाले कांपते हुए खड़े रहते थे. So she is narrating how the policeman would be shivering because of fear while standing in his office. उनसे डरकर खूंखार से खूंखार डाकू तक भाग खड़े होते थे. After seeing him, खूंखार means very dangerous to dangerous robbers. डाकू is robbers. Would be very scared because of him. भाग खड़े होना means they would run away because of fear. स्वामीनाथन अधीर होकर उनकी कहानी खत्म होने का इंतज़ार करने लगा. अधीर means he was very impatient. So he was impatiently waiting so that Dadi would finish her story because he was getting bored. So he was impatiently waiting when she would finish her story. इधर उधर भटकती हुई और अलग अलग समय पर घटी घटनाओं को गड़बड़ करती गई. But what Dadi was doing? Dadi was keeping on telling. इधर उधर भटकती means she was talking something else, what happened in the old times, then something else. She was piling things up which were too old and it was boring Swaminathan. और अलग अलग समय पर घटी. She was telling the events or incidents that happened on different times. गड़बड़ करती हुई means she was keeping on saying or keeping on talking about the old times of his grandfather. बस काफ़ी है दादी. So उसने रूखे स्वर में कहा. So finally the Swaminathan got so bored he stopped grandma and he said, enough दादी, enough. मैं तुम्हें राजम के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. I want to tell you something about my friend राजम. जानती हो उसे गणित में कितने नंबर मिलते हैं? You know गणित means maths. You know how much he scores in maths? सारे सारे नंबर मिलते होंगे, है ना? दादी ने पूछा. So दादी said, oh, he would score 100 out of 100 or full marks. He would get full marks. सारे नंबर means full marks. अरे नहीं, उसे 100 में से 90 मिलते हैं. So he said, no, no, no. He would get 90 out of 100. 90 means 90. चलो, अच्छा है, लेकिन तुम्हें भी मेहनत करके उसकी तरह नंबर लेने चाहिए. So she said, oh, it's good, but you should also work hard and get marks like him. तुम्हें पता है, तुम्हारे दादा कभी कभी ऐसे उत्तर लिखते थे कि परीक्षकों को भी चकित कर देते थे. So again she took the example of her husband or his grandfather. So she is telling, you know, sometimes your dada, that is your grandfather, would used to write such answers that the examiners would get shocked reading that. Parikshako means examiners. Chakit means they'll get shocked or surprised by seeing that answer. किसी सवाल का जवाब देने में वह दूसरों के मुकाबले 10वां हिस्सा वक्त लेते थे. So she is still telling about his grandfather. She is telling, in order to answer a question, his grandfather would take a time 10 times that the other person will take. He will consume more time. He will take 10 times more to answer some question. Hissa, 10वां हिस्सा means मुकाबले means when compared to others, he would take 10 times longer in order to answer a question. और फिर उनके जवाब इतने शानदार होते थे कि कभी कभी उन्हें उनके अध्यापक उन्हें 200 नंबर तक दे देते थे. But even though he takes 10 times more time, he would give such an answer that seeing that his teachers, that is his grandfather's teachers, would give him 200 out of 100. जब उन्होंने MA किया तो उन्हें इतना बड़ा मेडल मिला था. So she is still telling about his husband, telling about her husband. She is telling when he did MA, he got a very big medal. मैं कई सालों तक उसे गले में पहनती रही. For so long years I had been wearing that around my neck. पता नहीं मैंने कब उसे उतारा. I don't know when I removed it. हाँ, जब तुम्हारी बुआ पैदा हुई. Yeah, she remembered when your बुआ was born. बुआ means paternal aunt was born. नहीं, तुम्हारी बुआ नहीं, तुम्हारे पिता. No, it's not your aunt. It was your father. याद आया तब. बच्चा 10 दिन का था. Yeah, I remember now. That time your father was 10 days old. अरे नहीं, मैंने पहले ठीक कहा था. No, what I said earlier was correct. तुम्हारी बुआ ही पैदा हुई थी. That time your aunt, I gave birth to aunt only. So because of the old age, she is forgetting when she removed that chain. So first she thought it was a first daughter. Then she realized no, it was when his father was born. Then again she remembered that no, it was not that time. It was the time when his aunt was born. पता है वह मेडल अब कहाँ है? So she is asking, you know where the medal is right now? मैंने वह तुम्हारी बुआ को दिया. I gave that to your aunt. और उस बेवकूफ ने उसे गवला कर 4 चूड़ियाँ बनवा ली. And that fool, बेवकूफ means fool. What she did? She gave it to a what we say, gavlakar means she melted it and turned into 4 चूड़ियाँ means bangles. Okay, 4 bangles. और वह भी इतनी मामूली सी चूड़ियाँ की, and that too very silly. मामूली सी means worthless bangles she made out of it. मैं हमेशा कहती रही हूँ कि हमारे परिवार में उस जैसा महामूर्ख कोई नहीं है. And I always been saying that in our whole family there is no such biggest fool than her. or and she's still trying to say that she's still trying to say something. She said and, but who cut her off? Swaminathan cut her off. अब बस भी करो दादी. Now stop it दादी. तुम बेकार की पुरानी कहानियां सुनाती रहती हो. You always tell stories that is very old. क्या तुम राजम के बारे में नहीं सुनना चाहती? Don't you want to hear something about my friend राजम? हाँ हाँ बोलो. So दादी said या tell me. दादी, जब राजम छोटा सा लड़का था तो उसने शेर मारा था. दादी, do you know when Rajam was very small boy, he killed a lion. सच, बड़ा बहादुर लड़का है. Really, he's बहादुर means brave. He's very brave child, brave boy. तुम यह बात मुझे खुश करने के लिए कह रही हो. So, because she was telling, oh, it is a brave child, he got confused. You are saying this in order to make me happy. तुम्हें यकीन नहीं हुआ होगा. You won't have believed it, right? Because he would have tried saying this to his father or mother and they wouldn't have believed. And here Dadi is believing him. So he got little confused and he said, why you are saying that he is a brave child? Maybe you are saying this to make me happy, make me feel happy that you are believing my story. Are you really believing it? स्वामीनाथन ने बड़े उत्साह से कहानी शुरू की. So he started his story with so much happiness. उत्साह से means very excited. He was very excited with too much excitement. He started telling the story. राजम के पिता एक जंगल में डेरा डाले हुए थे. So Rajam's father was there and डेरा डाले हुए थे means he was staying in a forest. राजम उनके साथ था. राजम was with him. अचानक दो शेर उन पर झपटे. Suddenly, 2 lions attacked them. झपटे means they attacked them. और एक ने पीछे से हमला करके पिता को गिरा दिया. And what one did? One attacked his father from behind. पीछे से हमला means from, attacked from behind. हमला means attacked. गिरा दिया means and they kicked him off, kicked his father off. दूसरे ने राजम का पीछा किया and the second one followed राजम. राजम एक झाड़ी के पीछे छुप गया. राजम, what राजम did? राजम hid behind a grass. झाड़ी means grass. और वहीं से गोली चलाकर शेर को मार डाला. And from there what he did? He shooted the lion with a bullet. दादी, क्या तुम सो गई? दादी, did you sleep or have you slept? उसने कहानी खत्म होने पर पूछा. When he completed his story, he asked her. नहीं बेटा, सुन रही हूँ. So दादी said, no बेटा, I am listening. अच्छा बताओ, कितने शेर आए थे? So he asked a question out of story in order to see that whether his grandma is listening. He asked, so tell me, how many lions were there? 2 शेर राजम पर झपटे थे. So she said, there were 2 lions who attacked राजम. दादी ने स्वामीनाथन दादी के गलत जवाब से चिढ़ गया. So because she was wrong, the Rajam got very irritated because she was telling wrong answer. मैं तुम्हें इतनी ज़रूरी बातें बता रहा हूँ. I am telling you such an important thing. और तुम नींद में ना जाने क्या क्या उलझुल कल्पना किए जा रहे हो. And you are making assumptions in your sleep that I told you that there were 2 lions and all. अब मैं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा. And from now on I won't tell you anything. मैं जानता हूँ तुम क्यों ऐसा कर रही हो. I know why you are doing such things. तुम राजम को पसंद नहीं करती. I know you don't like राजम. नहीं, वह तो बहुत प्यारा लड़का है. So दादी said, no, he is such a nice boy. He is such a loving boy. दादी ने बड़े विश्वास से कहा. She said with great विश्वास से कहा means with great honesty or trust. She said, उन्होंने राजम को देखा तक नहीं था. She hadn't seen Rajam yet. Still she was saying with such a confidence. स्वामीनाथन खुश हो गया. स्वामीनाथन got very happy. दूसरे ही क्षण उसके मन में एक नया संदेह पैदा हुआ. दूसरे ही क्षण means next second. The next second he got another doubt in his mind. दादी, शायद तुम्हें शेर की कहानी पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. So first he thought that because of Rajam, she doesn't like Rajam, that's why she is not giving importance to his story. But she said, no, I love that boy. So he got another doubt. Oh, maybe because you don't believe in this lion story, that's why you are not listening. मैं एक एक शब्द पर विश्वास करती हूँ. I believe in every single word you said. दादी ने स्वर में मिठास भरकर कहा. So दादी said in a स्वर में मिठास means very sweet voice she said. स्वामीनाथन को इससे खुशी हुई. स्वामीनाथन again got happy. लेकिन उसने चेतावनी के तौर पर जोड़ा. But as a चेतावनी means as a warning he said. जो भी उसे झूठ कहेगा वह उसे गोली मार देगा. So whoever would lie to him, he will shot it. गोली मार देगा means he will shot him. So that's why the Rajan is telling her the story, because maybe in the classroom the people said that the Rajam said that I have shot a lion in my childhood, so if someone would lie to me, I will shoot you. दादी ने इसका समर्थन किया और हरीश चंद्र की कहानी सुनाने की बात कही. समर्थन means she supported him. So Dadi supported this thought that if someone would lie to him, he'll shoot him, because she wanted her grandchild to tell always the truth, and she told him the story of Harish Chandra. As we all know, Harish Chandra would never lie in his life. He would always tell the truth. जिसने वचन का पालन करने के लिए सिंहासन, पत्नी और बच्ची को खो दिया. And it was a story about Harish Chandra who lost his kingdom. Sinhasan means kingdom, Patni means wife, and Bacche means kids. So he lost his kingdom, wife and kids in order to keep his word. Vachan ka palan means keep his word. He sacrificed his kingdom, wife and kids. और अंत में उसे सब कुछ वापस मिल गया. And at the end he got everything back because he told only truth and he kept his word. Even though he lost something in the beginning, he got everything at the end. उसने कहानी आधी ही सुनाई थी. She has told him only half the story, that कि स्वामीनाथन खराटे लेने लगा. And the Swaminathan slept. खराटे लेने लगा means he started snoring. दादी भी रुक रुक कर बोलने लगी. दादी also started saying with a pause because she was also feeling sleepy. फिर वह भी सो गई. And after that she also slept. So that is a chapter. So let's just summarize it. In between the living and dining room, there was a very dark and poorly lit or poorly ventilated room where Swaminathan's grandma used to live with all her belongings. Her belongings were 5 bed sheets, 3 blankets, 5 pillows, the bed made of all these things, and she had a jute box, jute square box, and on one more thing, that is a small box made of wood in which she would keep some coins and cloves and cardamom and also betel nut. So after dinner, Swaminathan would come to Dadi's room and he would lay on her lap and would listen to her stories and tell what he also has stories to tell. So they would talk a little. And one day same happened. He came there and he told her a story about his friend Rajam, and he told that he had a friend who has a real police uniform. Okay, police uniform. So hearing that, Dadi, that is grandma, remembered her past days and she was talking about her husband who was a sub magistrate, and he was very commanding, and because of that all the robbers and policemen were afraid of him. And hearing her story, he got bored and he asked her to stop, and he told, I want to tell a story about my friend Rajam. And what was the story? It was a story that also here they discussed about how much the Rajam scored in his maths exam. So she told he would have got the full marks, but he told no, he got 90 marks. And after hearing that, the Dadi again started talking about his grandfather, that how grandfather would get an answer that will be very surprising for their teachers and for the examiners and all. She started praising him again, and she also told that she got a medal. Her husband, that is his grandfather, got a medal after MA, and she would tie or she would wear that around her neck all the time till his aunt, that is Swaminathan's aunt, was born. And one day she gave it to her aunt, and that aunt made jewelry out of it, that is made 4 bangles out of it. And because of that she got very irritated, and she called that aunt fool. And then what happened then, Swaminathan again got bored, and he asked the grandmother to stop it, and he told, I want to tell a story that my friend Rajam, when he was very small, he went to a forest with his father. There two lions jumped at them, and one more came from the back and attacked them. So what happened, then the Rajam kept on running, and suddenly at one point of time he hid in a grass, and from there he shot a lion with a gun. So he was not sure that Dadi would believe him, so he asked, do you believe my story? And Dadi said, yeah, I believe every single word you said. And what happened, and she said, I believe every word. And he also said that at the last that my friend Rajam said that if someone would lie to him, he will shoot him. So he was scared that he would tell Rajam a lie, he will get shot by him. So because of that he was telling the grandma story, and grandma said, yeah, it is very true, you should not lie to anyone, because she told a story about Harish Chandra, who would always tell the truth, and he sacrificed to keep his word. He sacrificed his kingdom, his wife and his kids, but at the end he got everything back because he was doing a good will. So that he got he got everything back because he was doing it in a good will. So at last both of them slept. So that is the story all about. I hope you understood the understood the chapter. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.